Hi mga mamis, huwag lang puro prito ang gawin sa tilapia. Tayo'y magluto ng escabecheng tilapia. You can also use other fish as well. First, season your fish with salt, ground pepper, and optional magic syrup seasoning. And all-purpose flour, make sure to coat both sides. And fry both sides into hot oil. Meanwhile, prepare your sauce by combining vinegar, soy sauce, sugar, salt, magic syrup seasoning, ground pepper, and water. Set aside. Also, juice and cut your vegetables. Drain excess oil from the fish. In a new pan, heat oil, saute ginger, garlic, and onion until fragrant. Then add the rest of the vegetables and do not overcook. Add the prepared sauce and bring to a boil. Perform taste check and add the slurry. Add the fish and the green chili and simmer for a couple of minutes until the fish absorbs the liquid. Then it's done. Ganun lang kadali iluto ang escabeche. Serve while it's hot.